Hi everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a beauty video. A dating video is coming. I promise it's coming. Another budget video is in the works as well. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick, quote unquote quick, beauty makeup haul. So I did some shopping, went to Sephora, and I went to the new Morphe store that they have in the King of Prussia mall. So if you guys are in Pennsylvania, they just put a Morphe store in King of Prussia, and it is gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's huge, it is dangerous because everything is so inexpensive compared to, like, you know, all the high-end stores that King of Prussia usually has, and like compared to Sephora and stuff. So check out the Morphe store. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in a second. Please subscribe if you have yet to, if you enjoy my videos. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my handle right here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when I post my videos, because I know I'm on and off with these videos, you guys, but I really appreciate those who have the notification bell on. Love you guys so much. Okay. The first things that I picked up were some sheet masks. Now, I love doing these if I'm in a hotel and my face just feels a little bit dull, I need like a pick-me-up. These sheet masks are great to bring with you when you travel. So I ended up getting the green tea one for mattifying and anti-blemish. I got the lychee one, the ultra moisturizing brightening. I've used this one before, I really do like it. And lychee is a fruit, if you guys are not familiar with lychee or lychee. I got the rose one. I've used this one also. The rose one's nice for, again, moisturizing and brightening. And then I got the aloe vera one, which is quenching and replenishing. So I got 4 of those. And a fun fact, if you didn't know, if you guys are going to get the masks, first off, they're buy 3 get 1 free, so that's why I picked up 4. But if you do the deal, the whole buy 3 get 1 free, you also get the little free Sephora travel bag, the clear bag. This is free if you purchase any 3 Beauty on the Fly products, and these are technically Beauty on the Fly, even though you can get them, like, you know, in the skincare section and stuff like that. They have these in the Beauty on the Fly travel section when you are checking out. So if these are there, you can get a free bag every single time you do buy 3 get 1 free. That's a fun fact that I learned this past shopping session, that I could get a free clear bag every single time. I buy these masks a lot, you guys, because I travel a good amount. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I travel a bunch, so I get these a lot, and I had no idea I could get a free bag every single time. And these are so useful to organize your makeup, your skincare, and if you're just travel necessities, these are great. So now I would be picking one of these up for free every single time. All right, moving on, I also picked up, actually, I should show you these. So I don't really use my points often at Sephora. I feel like their point perks are never really that great, but when they have a good one, I stock up. So I ended up getting 5 of these little Makeup Forever lip liners. You guys, I'm wearing it today, you know, with a gloss over it, but it's the Makeup Forever mini lip liner. They are a 100 point perk, and this one is in the color 606 Wherever Walnut. You guys, this color is the perfect nude, pinky nude color, everyday wear, and it's so smooth and they stay really well, and they're the ones that you sharpen, which for a lip liner I prefer the sharpened ones. And it was 100 points, which I thought was such a great deal. And I can keep one in my purse, I can keep one in my bathroom, you know, I can keep one everywhere. And they I got 5 of them because it's such a good color. Look, I'm wearing it today. Such a good everyday color. And I love the Makeup Forever lip liner. So I ended up getting 5 of the point perks. Another thing that I picked up, which is a repurchase for me, is I got 2 of the Sephora gloss bombs in the color Earth Angel, which is the lip gloss I have on top of that Makeup Forever lip liner, the 606 number. And yeah, so that's the lip combination I have. You guys know I live off of this gloss. I've been through so many tubes of it. I picked up 2 more because it's the perfect pink for me, in my opinion. I just love how it looks on me, and they're so comfortable, not sticky, not tacky, super smooth. Love these. They're $8. All right, and the last 2 things that I picked up that are new for me is a primer. First off, the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I heard a bunch of things about this. I heard it was amazing, and I really wanted something that was a little bit more glowy and lightweight for the summertime, because when I use a primer, I typically use a more smoothing primer, one that is very dimethicone, silicone based, so it's a little thicker. So I want to try something different, and this is a Hydro Grip. It's a really thin gel-like texture, and it gives you this really glossy look, and once you let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute, it starts to get tacky, and I think that's great because once it gets tacky, you go in with your foundation and it locks in your foundation. So far, I like this primer. I've only used it a couple times. The one thing I can say is that yes, it gets tacky and it really helps your makeup stay, but it doesn't do much for the smoothing aspect. So I can, you know, I see my pores still when I use this. So for me, I use this more on the perimeter of my face, where I take another primer, and like a smoothing primer, and I go in my T-zone, my nose and my forehead, where I have the most texture. So I do like this. I don't think it's bad. I think it's good, but I do have to pair it with another primer just for, you know, my preferences of how I want to prime my face. But yeah, Milk Grip Primer, Hydro Grip Primer, loving it so far. And then the last product I got at Sephora is also a Milk product, and it is their highlighter in the color Lit. And I should have opened this beforehand. Oh no. All right, so this is what it looks like, the packaging, and it's just, again, their highlighter in the color Lit. And the Milk ones you twist off, and it's a cream. Why is this packaging so aggressive? Oh, okay. The cap comes off. It looks like this. I've never used this before, and I'm excited to try it. Does it twist up? It's not going up. Okay, it's not going up, but I'll just swatch it anyway. And, ooh, that's pretty. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Oh my gosh, I have yet to use this on my face, but now I'm super excited. I think it's really pretty. Wow, it's really creamy. Blends really nicely into the skin. You guys, I'm pumped about this highlight. I'm not a huge cream highlight, but actually, you know what? Let's do a little now. Should we do it? Let's try this side. I like how it's not moving anything else, because sometimes when you do cream on top of powder, it'll pick up. But this, if you just press it into the skin like I'm doing right now, it lays right where you put it. Ooh, I like this. Okay, Milk, I see you. Again, this is the color Lit if you're curious. I think it's a really pretty everyday highlight color. Oh my gosh, this might be my new favorite. Okay, so that is the last thing that I got at Sephora. Now, quickly moving on to Morphe. Like I said, everything in Morphe is so inexpensive, so when I went in, I really had to try to be good. So I ended up picking mostly up liners. I got all liners. That's all I got. I really wanted to get brushes, you guys, but you know, if you know me, if you've been watching me for a while, I have way too many brushes. So many brushes for one person, and I don't even freelance anymore. I don't do weddings anymore, so there's really no point one person should have like all these brushes like I do, but I'm obsessed. I have a problem, all right? So I ended up getting 4 liners, a brow pencil, and a gel liner. So let's go through these colors, and I'll do swatches for you guys as well. All right, the first one I'm going to do is the one eyeliner that I picked up. Fun fact, if you didn't know, their eyeliners and their lip liners can be used for both. So if you wanted a hot pink eyeliner, you can use their hot pink lip liner and use it on your eyes. They're all safe for the eyes and for the lips. So that's something that I learned that day. But I did get one eyeliner, and I am wearing it today. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm wearing it on my bottom line and my top, and it is a deep teal color. It's called Locket, and it's the Morphe color eye pencil in Locket, and it looks like this. Is a normal pencil, and it's one that you sharpen. I love the liners that you sharpen, you guys. I've found a new love for them. So look how bright that is. It's really vibrant, which I enjoy, and it goes on super smooth. That is one quick swatch for you. And again, these are so inexpensive. They're $4. Like, you really can't beat it, honestly. All right, I'm gonna go into the lip liners I picked up. I picked up one neutral, which is called Foolish. And this is kind of like an everyday color for me. You guys know I burn through these like lip liner colors. Like, There it is right there. So it's a little bit more pink than that Makeup Forever one that I'm wearing today. So it has more pink to it, but again, it's still a really pretty color. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this one, which I'm really excited about. It's called High Maintenance, and this lip liner is a bright orange. You guys, if you know me, I love me an orange lip in the summer. I haven't done it yet this season, but I am going to be wearing an orange lip in California for sure. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love an orange lip when I'm really tan. I have a slight tan right now, but when I get tan, like towards the end of summer with an orange lip, like a red orange, it's my favorite. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, the last lip liner I picked up is called Scarlet, and it's pretty much this like red, like a pinky red color, and oh, it's so pretty. It's not like a deep red. It's not an apple red. It's a little bit more of a pinky red, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. I feel like these lip liners would be great just to line your entire lip and then just wear that as your lip color. I think that would be really fun. The thing I picked up is a eyebrow pencil. This is kind of boring. I got it in the color Chocolate Mousse, which I think is the darkest one, honestly. And it's pretty much like the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Like, it's a really skinny brow pencil. You have a spoolie on the end to brush your eyebrows through, and then you have the actual skinny pencil. This is kind of boring. I'm really not going to swatch it because there's no point. It's a brown eyebrow pencil. I don't remember the price of this one exactly, but I'll leave it here on the screen for you guys. And then the last thing I picked up is the Morphe gel liner. I don't really play around with gel liners too much, and I don't know why. I think it's more technique and my eye shape, which I don't know, I'm just making excuses, you guys. But I did pick up this one, and this one is called Vitamin C, and it is oh, I love how it's sealed. Maybe I shouldn't open it just yet then, but you guys can see it is a bright cobalt blue color. Like, how freaking pretty is that? So I'm gonna challenge myself to wear this, maybe in California or something, but I'm excited about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini makeup haul. I miss you guys so much, and I thank you guys for still watching. And if you have yet to subscribe, please do follow me on Instagram to keep up with my daily life and all of my traveling and all of that. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!